Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.7-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This Toyota has less than 140,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, front air conditioning, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.